It's my favorite treat. Battle box time. Okay, this is mission 111. Let's see what we get. Okay, if you're unfamiliar with BattleBox, it is a subscription type of a box program. This one usually focuses around adventure, survival type gear. They always come with this mission brief, and it just breaks down what the components are in there, how they're used, and it's broken down by tier. There's 4 different tiers. You have a basic box, an advanced box, a pro box, and the pro plus box. But let's take a look at what we get in here. So first we have the Prepare for Anything Survival Manual. So if you think about, preparing for worst case scenarios or disasters and how you're going to do that, you got to remember most of the time power is probably going to be an issue. So Google will not be there to be your friend, nor will any digital books that you might have, because if you run out of power, you're not going to be able to access them. So I think it's always good to have a paper backup copy for your kind of stuff. And this, let's see, we got, the pages aren't numbered, but we have this many pages in there. It is definitely a big, thick book. It was made by Tim MacWelch and also the editors of Outdoor Health. But let's just go to a random thing here. So it gives you designs for building a backyard chicken farm, how to actually raise chickens, how to kill chickens humanely, how to prepare your chickens, ducks, rabbits, how to clean the rabbits, canning, making power with water, how to fight, how to throw knives, how to sharpen knives. I mean, if you have no idea about how to survive, a pretty good book to keep in your preparation kits. Okay, next in the basic box, we've got the Flitz renewal system. So I personally have not used this, but heard good things about it. So you have 2 different types of cleaners. You have an all-metal polish that does not harm fiberglass, paint, and plastics. And extreme gun knife and bow protectant. So this is supposed to remove rust, fingerprints, powder residue, safe on factory, hot gun bluing, nickel, and stainless and hand rubbered stocks. That's the metal, plastic, and fiberglass polish. Then the gun sealant is the hydrophobic sealant with nanotechnology, creates a ceramic shell coating with protection for up to a year, will not gloss or shine. And then a good old microfiber cleaning cloth with it. So the spray is the stuff that you would put onto, that's the kind of protecting lubricant, and then the polish is for cleaning all things other. Okay, next we have the wound closure kit, and this is by MyMedic. Absolutely love this company. I have one of their IFAKs in my car. They just have really great medical equipment. Think about first aid kits to the extreme. So it looks like you get 6 wound closure strips and some liquid skin to help seal the wounds all together. So say you got a major cut, think that you need stitches, you can pour a little bit of this liquid skin in there, put the tape on there, and just kind of hold the 2 ends together while the liquid skin dries up, and it should seal that wound up for you. So definitely a great first aid kit addition. The question will be, which first aid kit will I put it in? Okay, and last but not least, the basic box has the Ruck and River Spice Wallet. So you have a nice little leather pouch here. And inside you get 2, 4, 6 little glass vials with cork stoppers on them. So you can put your spices in there for when you go camping. Nice little carry strap and nice little pouch. So yeah, if you like to backpack and eat while you're out there, that's a great thing to kind of organize those spices for you, keep them dry and accessible. All right, so that was it for the basic box. Like I said, we had those spice pouches, the wound closure kit from MyMedic. We've got the Flitz renewal system, the Prepared for Anything Survival book manual. All right, so moving now on to the advanced box, we get a Puribag Pro system. So this system is basically supposed to take the dirtiest of water and make it clean. Okay, so you fill it up with water to the fill line. You add a packet of this P&G pure water purification. You get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of them on there. Shake it for 5 minutes. Let it hang for 30 minutes. And while you do that, as you see, all the sediment is supposed to fall to the bottom here. So you twist it above the sediment, clip it, let the sediment out, and then you can drain the water from here. So this water purification P&G has been used in third world countries to make drinkable water for the community. And now you can buy it as a regular consumer. So you also get an inline filter here and a little tube attachment so that way you can string the water out a little bit further. So I think that there personally will stay in my in-home survival kits. Because if you remember in the previous box, I have the Grail water press and I keep that on my go bag. Okay, moving on now to the Pro box. There's a PowerTech E9R Gen 4 2550 lumen flashlight. Okay, so we get a little bit of instruction manuals, the light itself, and a box of something. Okay, so inside the box we've got a few key rings and some O-rings, maybe some parts repairs there for that. We have what looks like a charging cable, which is USB-A to some funky magnetic clip. A lanyard. Oh, we got something else in there. Oh, and a nice little holster. And that is definitely in there. That's not going anywhere. All right, let's take a look at how bright this thing is. Okay, that's bright. Can't see. All right, let's see if we can't get this here. So definitely a bright light. You know, it's midday right now and I have sun coming through the garage window. Oh my. So it's a tactical flashlight, so it also has ways to kind of stun somebody coming at you. So before I hit this button, I'm going to let you know if you are light sensitive, do not look at the screen, and I'll let you know when to look. So it does have this strobe effect, which is pretty intense. It gets you very disoriented very quickly. All I see right now is a blue dot. So definitely a good, if somebody's coming at you, zap them with that first. And then as they're stunned, you can do what you need to do. I still can't see. Okay, I am going to, if I close my eyes, I still see the blue dot from that flashlight. Okay, so that was the Pro box, and now we have the Pro Plus box, and it looks like, again, that will be a knife of the month. So this is a Condor tool and knife, 20th anniversary limited edition. Will rust if not properly maintained. After every use, clean and wipe down with a light rust-proofing oil. Okay, so this is a certificate of authenticity for the 20th anniversary light. It is serial numbered. Nice little sticker. Again, letting you know to wipe it down every time after use. And it looks like a catalog of other knives that they have. All right, let's take a look at this bad boy. So nice heavy duty leather sheath here, marked with their symbol. And this knife is serial numbered 4335, limited edition. So also, as you see, it is full tang running all the way down the middle there. And a little hole here if you wanted to put a lanyard on there. So it's a pretty heavy knife and very well balanced. Feels pretty good in the hand and would definitely get the job done. I think I'll keep this as a hunting knife or even a regular survival knife. All right. So running through it again. So our Pro Plus box had the Condor SIP knife limited edition. Moving down to our Pro box. So I didn't mention it before, but whatever tier you purchase, you get every tier below it when it ships. Okay, then to the Pro box, we got the PowerTech E9R Gen 4 2550 lumen flashlight. Do not look at it and hit the little stun light because you will be stunned. And then we move down to the advanced box where we had the Puribag Pro system for purifying water. In the basic box, we had the spice pouch, the wound closure kit, the clean lube and protect kit, and the survivor manual kit. All right, so down here, I'll put the total of the value of everything that was in the box. For me, with shipping, these boxes are about $200, so hopefully it still stays above. There's been a lot of complaints from people that they're sending out another book. I just recently started subscribing it, and I've been looking at these books for quite some time, so I'm happy that it's there. So yeah, tell me what your thoughts are down below. What do you think is the most valuable thing in this box? Not monetarily, but what you would find the most value out of the things in this box and what you wish just wasn't even there. I'll put a link for BattleBox down in the description of this video so that way you can go to the BattleBox and check out some of the tiers and some of the kind of stuff that they have. You can also purchase individual things that are left over from boxes that didn't ship out. So they put them on there available for sale. And it's usually a little bit cheaper that way than going through the source. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. As usual, if there's something that you want to see reviewed, please put that down in the comment section below, along with anything in particular you want tested out with it so we can make sure that we do that during the video. Other than that, that's going to do it. We'll see you next time. Bye.